Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing really well. Today I'm here to share with you guys how do I make my oven baked spicy whole chicken. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm adding all the spices, all the 5 spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, nutmeg powder, white pepper powder, olive oil, and like I showed you before, garlic and chili oil. And obviously I'm using paprika and garlic ginger paste, and I'm gonna be using natural fat-free yogurt as well. So this chicken is really spicy for the people who loves spicy whole chicken. It's really amazing and it tastes so delicious with everything, you know, with the pasta, or with you can serve with rice as well. So it's really amazing. As you can see, I'm making the paste and I've added some ketchup as well, just to get a tangy flavor. So I'm actually mixing the paste, and I'm mixing all the spices, and the paste should be very thick, so it's gonna help to massage on the whole chicken. And I'm adding a little bit olive oil. I feel like it's a bit less, so, and I'm adding half lemon juice. Lemon juice is absolutely optional. If you want, you can have some. This chicken I always, whenever I'm feeling like, you know, to do whole chicken at home, I always make this, and I always like spicy. So if you don't want spicy, you can actually avoid the paprika or the chili powder. And like I said, I'm doing the massage right now. So this one you can marinate for about an hour or for overnight as well. That's absolutely fine. So as you can see, I'm giving a good massage to the chicken, and obviously all the spice should go onto the chicken, otherwise it's not gonna come up very juicy. So this chicken, what it does, that it's gonna become juicy inside and crispy outside. So let's see. And after an hour, now it's time to put on the oven. I have actually preheated the oven on 180 degrees centigrade. So if you want, you can actually upgrade it on 240 degrees as well. So I'm gonna be putting this for about like 45 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. That's absolutely fine. And if you're giving like 280 degree, it's gonna come up within 30 minutes as well. So now the chicken is ready to put in the oven. And as you can see, after 45 to 50 minutes, the chicken came up very juicy, and it was really crispy outside, and it was very flavorful. It was really amazing. This one is actually good for kids as well, because obviously kids love chicken. And I've actually tasted that, checked that with the fork, that it's done. It's almost done inside. And as you can see, I'm cutting the pieces, and I've actually served that with rice for my lunch as well. For my lunch, it was for my kids and for my husband. So that was the baby chicken I've actually served, as you can see. So you can see the meat came out very juicy. It's really juicy inside. It feels like it's just amazing. It's gonna melt your mouth, and then you're gonna be really hungry, not gonna lie, when you make this chicken. This chicken is really amazing. So I hope you guys will like it, and if you do like it, do subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and as always, take care and subscribe to my channel. And till then, take care. Bye bye.